I'm Mary Mason Bowes. I am the owner and founder of Mary Mason Bowes Coaching and Consulting. I started about 2.5 years ago. I formerly was an executive running an education nonprofit for a number of years. I got pretty burnt out and decided to take some time off, quit my job, and then got my coaching certification and decided to start my own coaching and consulting business. So, what led me to wanting to work with a coach was as a coach myself, I think just generally having a coach is a good practice. I think we're all better for having a coach. Specifically, I sought out Melissa because at the time I had sort of hit sort of a rough patch where I felt like I wasn't getting as many clients I've been getting prior. And I kind of had fallen into a scarcity mindset. And so I started to feel like, oh no, I need to be working more and grinding more to get more clients, which is sort of the opposite of what I had been doing previously. I felt myself falling back into this trap of working super hard, grinding things out, which is what I had done at my prior job. I got connected to Melissa through a friend. So a friend of mine who also does similar coaching and consulting work had been working with Melissa. When I spoke with Melissa, the thing I really appreciated about her was that she is an excellent listener. So she could listen really deeply and then say back to me in a really clear, concise, purposeful way, this is what I'm hearing is going on. This is what it sounds like is what you want to be true. Because when you're in it yourself, it's really hard. We're sort of all over the place. We're thinking all these things, our thoughts are everywhere. And she really listened so deeply and helped clarify for me what I wanted to be true. I think the work with Melissa felt different. She just had such a nice balance of the mindset, true coaching, where she's just asking really thoughtful questions, helping me uncover what's going on, but then also really helpful technical strategic support. And so she's sort of the first person I've experienced who's had both of those things. And now that I'm done working with Melissa, kind of on the other side of it, it was just really nice. When we went back to look at my goals, it was like, check, check, check. We did all the things. I have a very solid pipeline of clients, and she really helped me understand my gift as it relates to business development. I don't need to be doing business development like everyone else is. I can do it in a way that works really well for me. And just helping me identify that has given me so much freedom and energy to really lean into that. I've worked with many different coaches and all have been amazing. I think they were the right coach that I needed at the right time. And with Melissa, it felt safe. It felt judgment free. It felt fun. I think she just has a real gift for understanding what an individual needs and meeting them where they are, but then pushing them and helping them get even further. The balance that she brought with the mindset coaching and the technical advice and just being able to contact her in between sessions and box to her, ask a question. It felt like there was real coaching and technical advising and thought partnership. And it was just exactly what I needed.